Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I know you all keep asking me which face oil to use for face massages. I have this face oil for you today which will blow your mind or you wow, I've never used anything like this before if you haven't already. So the oil that I want you all to know about is Nalpamaradi Thailam or Nalpamaradi oil. It was like such a tough task for me to pronounce this name. It took me some time. I had to Google how to actually pronounce it. The oil that I'm using is from the brand Blue Nectar, and this is something that is gem from the south. Like if you are from Kerala or so, you must be knowing about it. In the southern part of India, it's used a lot. The term only means that the oil is made with the concoction of 4 different kind of barks of trees which are auspicious trees like banyan tree and different various other herbs. It has almost 16 different herbs which gives you that amazing effect. Now, very first thing question would be like, what is this oil for and who all can use it? So this Nalpamaradi oil is basically for all people, like men, women, children. In fact, a lot of people do use this oil for massaging the baby. They mix it with almond oil and then they massage the baby. And you can use it on your body if you have like uneven skin tone on body, if you have pigmentation, dark spots. In fact, if you have like, I did have like a lot of tanning, especially area or on my feet which I keep open. Like we don't use a lot of socks here in Bangalore, so your feet does tend to get tanned. You can use it on your feet, you can use it on your body, wherever you feel like you can use it. Now let's talk about the ingredients of this oil first, and then I'll teach you how to use it the right way. Number one, the base oil in which it is made is sesame oil, and I love sesame oil for anti-aging. I've in fact recommended many times to people also, like who ask me what kind of oil should I use, especially if you have aging skin or so. Even if you are having little bit premature signs of aging, you can use the sesame oil. The next it has is a lot of turmeric. I love turmeric. We all Indians all know how good turmeric is for brightening your skin. It gives you that skin brightening effect if you have a lot of uneven skin tone, pigmentation and all. This is the ingredient which is going to help you so much in brightening your skin. It is also filled with amla, which is a great natural source of vitamin C. Also has kushtha and manjishta, which are great if you're someone with a lot of melasma, pigmentation or acne, scarring, PIH, all of that. You can use this for lightening and brightening your scars also. With that, it also does have red sandalwood, which is like a cooling and calming ingredient which will help if you have like a lot of acne breakouts, pimples and those blemishes. That will help in calming your skin down. Now a lot of people might have this question, like if I have oily acne prone skin, can I use this oil? So this has parpata and hartiki, which both can help in reducing the acne and pimples if you have that, if you have acne prone skin. In fact, it's going to really help in making sure that you are not getting a lot of acne or pimples. You're healing them with the help of these herbs. Another benefit that you have from this oil, that you can de-tan your body. So there are two ways that you can use this oil. You can use it in the morning and evening. I'm going to share with you both ways. Like in the morning when you wake up, wash your face like with plain water and let the water dry on your face, and then you take few drops of this oil, apply onto your face, do your regular massages. I've shared with you so many different massages. You can pick any massage and do that with this oil, and after that leave this oil on your face for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. The face you can wash with any regular face washes that you use. Now on your body also the same thing you can do. Before taking bath, massage your body with this oil, then wait for 30 minutes to 45 minutes and then take bath. You can in fact make uptan also with this. If you want to make a DIY like gram floor basin ka uptan aapko banana hai, any other uptan that you make, you can apply, or you can use this to make that uptan and apply it onto your face. So this oil is something which is not filled with any chemicals or so, all natural, so you don't have to worry about any side effects. In fact, if you are someone with very sensitive skin, or if you feel that you might be like irritated or so, just do a little patch test, like apply it behind your ear and see for yourself how does it behave on your skin. But I'm sure, because I also have sensitive skin, it has not caused any such troubles to my skin. It's really suited me well, so I'm sure it will. But still, do the patch test. So this is all I wanted to share with you about Blue Nectar Nalpamaradi oil. Do give it a try, you'll love it. Do check out the description box for all the links of this product, and if you have any questions, do comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.